I'm going to say this is going to be for, I think this is going to be for the kitchen witchery. It's not going to be cooking, but it's still going to be doing with food and everything else. So I made myself already. I don't know if I made a video about it, but I might do that. Florida water. Shake it up. So I don't know if people do this, but I will do this. To rub the lemons. Weird, I know. It's okay. I'm gonna do lemon spells because I'm gonna be going for a week, and I want to be cleansing my house when I'm gone. So we have 2 lemons, and 2 lemons. I'm gonna cut this, and one's gonna be in the kitchen, and one's gonna be in there, because that's where everyone is. So I was thinking black salt. You know what? Yeah, let's go get some black salt. Do a little black salt. Alright, let me find the black salt. Okay, where's it? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to be taking all my, here it is, black salt. So, yep, we're going to do a little bit in it. Yep, why not? It runs off any bad energies, keeping the evil eye off you, and bad neighbors. So, why the heck not? Okay. And sea salt. And I'm going to put a little bit more black salt. Yes. So, this is going to be cut in half. This one. Like this. And then I'm going to do this. It's going to be like that. So now these are the ones are not going to be like that. It's going to be, there it goes. And then there it goes. That one needs to do it again. There we go. And there we go. So it's like that. So let me do one. And I think I'm going to do one on a table. And like that. No, don't like have it like that way. So I think I'm going to have a napkin on that one, actually. Because if it leaks. So, there you go. And then one over here. I'm going to put one up. I'm going to put it up there. So, there we go. There it goes up there, the 11. Actually, we should like kind of hide it more. Oh, yeah, whatever. So now we're gonna do the rest. I do the bathroom and like that, like right here. Oh, okay. I need this one. I'm gonna put it in the bathroom, and then put this one on top. Actually, you could do it right here. There you go. And then I have two more. I actually have to cut another one, but that's going to be a difference. So, yes. And I'm going to keep it on my altar like this. See? And then I'm going to do one in the back room. There it goes. And I'm not hiding it, but I still have the air like that. So yes, if you like witchy content or cooking or like magic, I'm going to do this one for, this is the video to go up at October the 22nd. The 22nd, this is coming up, and I hope everyone loves it. I hope everyone enjoys it, and I hope you do it. It does, I have to say this, it does cleanse. Like, you don't need to do, like, what I did, but I showed you, like, you could do anything you want. You could just use lemon salt, but you could do, like, like, the last time, the first time I did it, I did salt and rosemary, and that worked too. If it's not gonna be gross and disgusting, you're good. As well, subscribe, like, share, comment, share, like, comment, subscribe, and yes, I have no makeup on for the couple of videos, and this is my real face. Got some little spots, but I love my natural look too. Love it. Blessed be. Have a good Halloween. Happy Haunted. Yes. And the Halloween videos are going to be epic this year. Epic. Love you guys. Blessed be. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Blessed be, and have a magical day. Love you.